Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to take the class of class 6 lesson 1 to 3 according to the syllabus, including assignment providing education ministry. So let us go to my today's class. Welcome dear students. I am Jahangir Hossain, assistant teacher, Muradpur Samunasa High School. Look at the picture. There are 4 pictures, and you can guess what kinds of activities are here. Most of the students are going to their residence, taking new books. Guess where are they going? Of course, they are going to their schools, or some students maybe go their residence. All of them are carrying books. They are going to school. So today our lesson is going to a new school. When the children especially complete primary level, they go to high school, and sometimes they go to another school, so they face or they go a new school. You know that new place is a new experience. In the same way, the learning outcome. After completing the lessons, students will be able to read and understand text, talk about people, places and familiar objects in short and simple sentences, write a short paragraph. Read the form and see what Torun has written about himself. There is a form. My name is Torun Chaudhary. Here Torun has filled up this form. I am 11 years old. I have brown eyes, brown hair, and I am 4 feet 3 inches tall. I am good at playing football and drawing. My hobbies are collecting stamps and reading. I like to read comic books and eat peanuts. I really don't like any kinds of short drinks. And if you follow this form, filling the form, of course it will help you to fill up the assignments, especially SW of your next assignment. So you can follow this form to fill up the next form. Come to the next form which you have to fill up. Now write down similar information about yourself. Here you will write your name and everything, what is familiar, what is related to you. In this way, my name is dash, I am dash years old, I have dash eyes, dash hair. Hair means the color, and I am dash tall. I am good at, expert, which subjects or which things you can do well, and dash. My hobbies, here plural, so you have to write two things. I like to dash, which things do you like or do you fond of. I really don't like, which things you absolutely don't like, you will mention here. In this way you will fill up the questions. Of course you know that when you will get the assignment lesson 1 A1 you will fill up this form. Read the following passage about Torun's first day at school. My first day at the new school was interesting. I was going to school with my father in a rickshaw. We reached school after 15 minutes. My father said goodbye and left me at the school gate. I went in and found that everyone had gone to classes. I walked into my classroom and found a seat. After some time, a teacher came and warmly greeted us. I found the students very friendly in my new schools. Here is experience of a student to a new school. When he went into a new school, at that time this kinds of situation he have to face, but all of them were favors on him. So in this way you will write the experience of a new school. You have to write a paragraph about your first day at a school or new school. Homework, it is your second assignment SW. Here SW is the assignment of class 6. You have to write a paragraph about your first day at school. You have to write this paragraph as a assignment by SW, completing SW or writing SW, and it is the functions of lesson 1 class 6. Next come to the lesson 2. You can see, hooray, we have won the match. These kinds of activities are shown when a team won the match. Congratulations Bangladesh. When a team win, of course other people or the people of that country greets them in this way. Congratulations Bangladesh. We can greet in this way Bangladesh when they will win a match. What can you see in the picture? You can see in the picture it is greeting someone, some player by something. He congratulates someone. In this way he congratulates someone by clapping hands or big hands. Today's topic, congratulations, well done. It is related to lesson 2. Lesson 2. Babul said to Dad, it is a conversation when someone informed something good to his relatives or fathers or other. Here Babul informed his father about his English test. The Babul said to Dad, I have got GPA in my English test. Dad said to Babul, "Well done, son." Manjur said, I am happy that I have won the competitions. In fact, I have won the first prize. Raj said, "Oh, that's marvelous. Congratulations." It is the example of grit, someone when someone becomes successful or when he win a prize or he stood fast. In this way, some other greets them. Congratulations, marvelous, well done. By this, using these words. Here, language focus. When we are glad or happy to hear about any good news, we usually express our happiness with these expressions. In this way, as congratulations, well done, that's marvelous, that's wonderful, great, etc. In return, the other person usually says thanks or thank you. When someone greets in this way, well done, and other persons will say thanks or thank you. In this way, we continue our conversations to exchange our informations. B. To answer the following questions. It is also HW for the students. They will write and will give to teachers as assignment. Questions. B2, the textbook. B2 lesson 2. Who has won a lottery? Who has lost a football match? Who has just congratulated you on your good result? Who has been ill? Who has been selected for a music program on TV? In this way, you have to complete who by using who. A. My friend has won a lottery. Bangladesh has lost a football match. C number, my father has just congratulated you on your good result. Susan has been ill. Munia has been selected for a music program on TV. In this way, you have to complete who using who. Homework, and you will have to give a conversation as an assignment. Make a conversation with a partner like the situations given in B2 in the textbook. In the textbook of lesson 2 of class 6, you will get these things, and you have to write a conversation using B2 in the textbook. Next, lesson 3. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. By 3 lessons, you have to write WS, SW and SW also the assignment. What is seen in the picture? What is seen in the picture? You can see a train, a railway station. A train is coming. It is the railway station. It is the picture of a railway station. At a railway station, lesson 3, It is the lesson 3 of class 6, a railway station. I came to see Sajjad of, here two persons and both of them are friends. I came to see Sajjad of. Sajjad was going to Dhaka to his elder sister's house. There was a long line of people at the ticket counters. It is the descriptions of a railway station. In this way, you have to write another paragraph. It may a bus station. A group of young people was talking loudly and drinking tea in front of a tea stall. You can see the pictures of what has mentioned here. In this way, a group of young people was talking loudly and drinking tea in front of a tea stall. These kinds of scenery are available in a railway station or bus station. An old couple was trying to find a quiet place to sit down and rest. You can see by the pictures, a couple was trying to find out a quiet place to sit down and take rest. The waiting room was crowded too. It is the waiting room and people or passengers are waiting for their train. In this way, a train station, a railway station has a waiting room or maybe many waiting rooms, and the passengers wait sitting in this waiting room. Soon my friend's train started to leave. As the train whistled, he picked up his suitcase. And we said goodbye to each other. When the train started, we said goodbye to each other. Homework. This homework is also the assignment of class 6. They have to write a paragraph on a bus stand following the railway station, what things are available in a railway station. Similarly, they will find they have to write these things and answering the following questions. The questions are: where is a bus stand generally seen? Why is it important? When does a bus stand become busy? What kinds of stalls are available there? What happens when an overcrowded bus reaches the station? You have to write a paragraph as assignment which has provided by the government education ministry as an assignment. So students have to follow the lesson 3, a railway station, and they have to write a paragraph, a bus stand, following these kinds of questions, answering the questions. Thank you all to take part in my classes. May Allah bless you. I believe that you will be able to write these kinds of activities, and you will be able to write and complete SW as an assignment which the Education of Ministry has provided to us, and we have also given to the students. In this way, we will be able to complete the education systems the government has already declared. Thank you very much.